Ikea. I'm gonna buy this one, Baggebo, and this is it. Hi guys, welcome to Unboxing Sensation. Now we're gonna unbox from Ikea. It's a Baggebo. This is the Baggebo. This is inside the box. This is the tools, and this is the manual. There's the manual, the instruction. Remove all the plastic. And these are the tools and screws. Put this screw on the feet of the Baggebo. Do the same as well, the other side. There's screw, all of them. Get the square and put on top, but look the hole. There's a hole on top. Put on to the top. On the side with the this one we're gonna use and gonna screw it. So you're gonna screw it like that. Then put the other side feet on the side. There you go. Put the square below and hook it up. The two feet should be hooked on the square. These are the screw you're gonna use. Screw it both sides. Actually, to be honest, the screw fall off. Honestly speaking, I just put a screw here so that it will not fall off because the plastic screw that it fall off. Then put the screw handle of the Baggebo. A glass divider inside the Baggebo. When you put the door, then screw it. And this is the loop inside the Baggebo. It should be hooked under there, the screw. Video, please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.